Hi, and welcome to Data Analysis and Exploration with Pandas by Theodore Petru, a video course by Pact Publishing. I am Drew Campbell, and I will be the presenter for this course. Theodore Petru is a data scientist and the founder of Dunder Data, a professional educational company focusing on exploratory data analysis. He is also the head of Houston Data Science, a meetup group with more than 2,000 members that has the primary goal of getting local data enthusiasts together in the same room to practice data science. Before founding Dunder Data, Ted was a data scientist at Schlumberger, a large oil service company, where he spent the vast majority of his time exploring data. Ted is a strong supporter of learning through practice and can often be found answering questions about pandas on Stack Overflow. Now, before we start, let's have a look at our journey at one glance. The first section, Pandas Foundations, covers the anatomy and vocabulary used to identify the components of the two main pandas data structures, the series and the data frame. You will learn how to unleash the power of the series and the data frame by calling and chaining together their methods. Next, we will move to Essential Data Frame Operations, which focuses on the most crucial and common operations that you will perform during data analysis. The third section, Beginning Data Analysis, will help you develop a routine to get started after reading in your data. Other interesting discoveries will also be made. Further, we will explore about selecting subsets of data, where we'll cover the many varied and potentially confusing ways of selecting different subsets of data. In the fifth section, Boolean Indexing, we will discuss the process of querying your data to select subsets of it based on Boolean conditions. After that, we will move to the sixth section, Index Alignment, where we will target the very important and often misunderstood index object. Misuse of the index is responsible for lots of erroneous results, and the video in this section will show you how to use it correctly to deliver powerful results. Next section, Grouping for Aggregation, Filtration and Transformation, covers the powerful grouping capabilities that are almost always necessary during a data analysis. You will build customized functions to apply to your groups. Following that, we will start with the eighth section, Restructuring Data into Tidy Forms. That explains what tidy data is and why it's so important, and then it shows you how to transform many different forms of messy datasets into tidy ones. Our last and final section, Combining Pandas Objects, covers the many available methods to combine data frames and series vertically or horizontally. We will also do some web scraping to compare President Trump's and Obama's approval rating and connect to a SQL relational database. By the end of this course, you will master the fundamentals of pandas and will be able to build customized functions to apply to your groups in datasets. You could restructure and tidy data to make your data analysis and visualization tasks easier. Also, you will be able to combine and merge data from different sources through Pandas SQL-like operations. This course includes interesting and illustrative examples and delivers very detailed explanations for each line of code in all of the examples. All code and dataset explanations exist in Jupyter Notebooks, an excellent interface for exploring data. In other words, this is an easy guide with a problem-solution approach for real-world datasets. The only real prerequisite for this course is fundamental knowledge of Python. It is assumed that you are familiar with all the common built-in data containers in Python, such as lists, sets, dictionaries, and tuples. And you just need a machine with Anaconda version 4.3 installed on it, or you can download any other latest version. Let's not wait and get started with this amazing journey right now.